guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make an origami bookmark. You need origami paper. If you want, you can do crayons. You need paper. You can have paper, you can have scissors, and you can have glue. These parts are really for just if you want to decorate. Pick a piece. Pick it.
I want purple.
Take purple.
We're both taking purple.
Yeah. Oh, I love purple.
I like purple too.
I hate pink. I like pink.
We know.
So you take it, see this? Fold it in half so it's a rectangle. You can also do this along with us. So make it so it looks like this. So there's an open end. Then you take it again. You fold it in half again. Again. Like again. Again. Like this. So it's a little square. See? There's tabs. There's a tab. See this tab? You'll fold it in on itself. So it makes
inside?
Yeah. So it makes a little dent like this. And then, well, this is not really cheating in origami. Take glue. Take the glue. You open it up. See how there's a big mouth in it? You'll open it wide. You take your glue. Just squeeze a little bit of glue. You need a whole bit. Or you could have your parent or assistant to help you. Or your babysitter. If you're currently having a babysitter right now. Then you take it, you squeeze it down. So the glue keeps it to stay. So you can't really open the mouth anymore. And then, to the final part, I make this part. You take a piece of paper. You can start decorating. You can do markers, you can do paper, but I should have brought 2 pairs of scissors.
That's okay. I don't need scissors. I'm going to use markers only.
Okay. Wow, I would have done this in Girl Scouts. It's a hat.
Ah!
Yeah. We're fine. Well, subscribe if you want more videos like this. Like if you want more origami videos. Subscribe if you want a prank video on my mama. She doesn't even know what we're doing.
What?
Nothing.
What?
Nothing.
You're going to prank me?
No.
I hope not.
So, you can take this. You have this paper. Well, if you want, you can do it like me. If you want, you can do it like my mom. She's just coloring. You can glue. Look at how I'm doing it. You won't believe it. It's so weird. It's weird. You take. Want to see what I'm doing?
See it.
I made a little glue on the bottom, and then I'm gonna put it on my piece. Look at this. And now I'm gonna do something a little bit like my mom. Want more origami videos? Like and subscribe, like I said. Especially a subscribe for more crazy events. So I want to keep everything in order.
Mine's going to eat the page.
Good stop.
Yes, please.
Yeah. Bye.